Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and installing some bed rail mounts for the Tacoma. These systems are modular, giving you the ability to tie down shovels, an axe, recovery boards, a fuel can, or any other accessory you can think of to tie to the side of your bed. I do want to give a huge shout out to ISSYAUTO for sending these over for us to test them out. They are today's video sponsor. Inside the box is going to be 2 different mounts along with the hardware. They give you a lot of options on how to tie things down with the multi-hole design. You could bolt things down, you could use some type of strap, you could use rope, whatever you want to get the job done. The part of metal that's going to be touching the truck, they actually put some rubber there, so it's going to give you a nice cushion if you're going down a bumpy road. They do give you a set of instructions, but this is so straightforward, I don't think you'll need them. They give you 4 of these little bolts here, and they give you 4 of these little back plates. Now on my Tacoma, I do have the deck system, so if I try to put that on the rail, it's just not going to fit. Luckily, I have a friend who has a Toyota Tacoma, and we are going to be installing it on his truck instead. If you wanted, you could put one of these on both sides, or you could put 2 of them on the same side. For demonstration purposes, that back plate is going to fit right there inside that spot, and you're going to be able to slide those all the way down. We found it easier to put the bolt through the top and then start that back plate before you slide it on that rail. With those started, you can easily move that up or down, put that exactly where you want it. This may be one of the fastest installations I've done on my channel. I think it maybe took us 5 minutes while filming. The unit also seems to be pretty good quality. I know it's made with good metal. It's supposed to be rust resistant, water resistant, so pretty excited to test these out. Once you have the mounts exactly where you want them, literally all you have to do is twist that bolt down, and you're going to do that on both sides, and it's going to lock it into place. I will have the link to this product in the description below if you're interested in learning more. The mounts are only held in by 2 bolts, so I was wondering how stable that would be. I gave it the old shake test, and that thing didn't move an inch. With both of the units in place, we grabbed a shovel and we mounted it to the side. We all know that the Tacoma beds are a little bit small, so having something like this to help utilize that space, I think it helps a lot. ISSYAUTO was also nice enough to give us a discount code. I'm going to put that in the description below so you could use that at checkout. If you have any questions at all, drop those in the comments below. And since you made it this far, smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.